Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome back to our channel Nikhil's Learning World. This is our final episode and till now we have completed all the sessions, 30 sessions episode. Okay, and this is feels different today because we have reached the final episode of our Kotlin series. Okay, from the writing our very first Kotlin program to understand advanced concept like coroutine dispatchers, scope function, exception handling, type alias, and destructuring. Okay, and very basic Kotlin concepts, and we are come a long way, and honestly, that's something to be proud of. Okay, so let's take a quick moment to reflect on what we have built together. Okay, we have built together like strong fundamentals in Kotlin, clean code practice, understanding of synchronous programming, and real world example and coding mindsets. Okay, that's we have just a tutorial series, and it was completed journey from beginners to confident and Kotlin developer, right? And I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and thank you for sticking till the end. Whether you watched one video or all the episodes, you are the reason this series exists. Every like, every comment, and every subscribe, it's truly mean a lot. Okay, and by completing this series, you now understanding Kotlin fundamentals. You can write a clean and structured code and know how to handle the real world scenarios. Are ready to build Android apps and background system. And most important, you are now think like a developer. Okay, now a big question: what's next? Okay, so here you can next step like start building a real projects, practice daily, explore Android applications. Okay, Android application development, learn frameworks like Kitter or Jetpack, because learning never stop, right? And don't worry, this is not the end of the channel. Coming up next, Android development series, real world projects, advanced concept in Kotlin, and interview preparations. Okay, and in my mind, I have planned to work on the Android Jetpack Compose. Okay, so it will be helpful for the those who want to learn Android application development, right? Please do comment me, or if you have any new ideas, so we will be plan accordingly. Okay, and if there is one thing I just you to remember in this, consistency beats perfection. Okay, so you don't need to know everything, you just need to keep going. And if this series helpful to you even a little, please do like this video, comment your journey, and subscribe for your upcoming content. And share this series with someone who want to learn Kotlin programming. Okay. And thank you again for being a part of this journey. And I will see you in the next series. Until then, keep coding, keep learning, and keep growing. Okay, so congratulations, all guys. You reached the final episode of this Kotlin series, and this journey never this journey covered everything from basic to advanced concept, helping you to become a confident in Kotlin programming. Okay, your supports made me this series possible, and please do like, share, and subscribe. And this is Nikhil signing off. See you in the next session.